Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And I want you to know something. Hashtags are different from tags. Tags are different from hashtags. Now, tags are those words, phrases, clause, whatever that you can use in your YouTube description, that you can use in your YouTube video if you want your video to go viral. Now, if you want your video to go viral, using tags is one of the recommended SEO tools, tricks, and techniques that you can actually use in accomplishing that. Some people might tell that tags are not relevant. Trust me, tags are still working magic. Now, the essence of those tags in your YouTube videos is to help people, audience, viewers who might be searching for a particular thing on YouTube, and then when they search for that particular thing on YouTube, unfortunately, that thing they're searching for happens to be one of those things you added in your YouTube video. Trust me, the algorithm is going to suggest your video to that person. Let me make it simple. Tags are those keywords or phrases you use in your videos to help the algorithm push your videos to the right audience when it comes to search engine optimization. Or let me rephrase. Tags are those keywords that people use on their videos to help viewers find their content. You get the gist, you get the drift. And the good thing here is that you can actually add your YouTube tags to your videos even if you already uploaded the video. So you can actually go back and edit the video and add the tags there. Or you can add them while you're uploading the video. I need you to also have it in mind that tags, YouTube tags, don't come with that hash symbol in front of it. You only see the hash symbol if you're using hash tags. And YouTube tags can actually be just one word or two words or three words or a phrase. And you can even space it out and not cluster it together, unlike hashtags. Know this is the key difference between a tag and a YouTube hashtag. Tags are words or phrases, they don't come with a hash symbol. Hashtags are actually just one word put together with the hash symbol in front of it. Okay, know this and have peace of mind. I need you to also have it in mind that if you use too many tags in your YouTube video, maybe you went to go and write 16, 17, 18, the space is going to be enough for all of those things, but it's going to affect the SEO of that video. It's going to affect the performance of that video because YouTube or the algorithm might think it's a spam video because we went to go and stop that particular video with so many tags. So when adding tags, maximum of 15, and make sure that the tags you're even adding are related to the topic at hand. It's even better if you can even stick to just 10 tags per video, it will be better. All you need to do is just write the tags that are close to, that are similar, related to that video. Things or keywords that you feel like if people should search for it on YouTube, they are going to find that video. If you now want to search for something like that on YouTube, that kind of topic, those kind of keywords will what means that you're going to have to put into consideration. I don't want you to go and start writing. Maybe you're writing about thumbnail design and you're talking about video editing as your video tag. YouTube is going to push the video to people that are searching for video editing, whereas the topic or the video you posted is actually about YouTube thumbnail design. It's not the same thing. Make sure that the keywords, the tags you're using for your videos are similar or related to the topic at hand. So when you use keywords in your YouTube videos, when you're uploading those videos, or even if you already finished uploading the video, it will help the algorithm to understand what that video is about, what that content is actually about. So when people are looking for similar videos or similar topics using those keywords you used in that particular description, YouTube will be able to push your video to those people. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video, and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you don't get to miss out on any single video. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.